Hi and welcome back. This is just a quick video to show you how to change the batteries in your Netatmo indoor module. This is either the module that you got when you first purchased your system or an additional one that you've purchased to add more indoor modules to the Netatmo system that you've already got. Let's have a quick look here. Here we are, here's the indoor module. Here's what I need to open it. A coin, very simply, simple twist. Base comes off, then you've got batteries. You've got 4 batteries, so carefully take those out and shake there, and another, and finally the 4th. Now put some new batteries in. You've got a negative and you've got a positive, so we'll first drop the ones in for the negative showing upwards, now positive, drop those in there. If you're interested in the batteries, these are AAAs. There are links in the description where you can purchase them. And we'll put this back on carefully, right way around, slots in there. Coin again, bit of pressure, turn it. There we are, only little turns needed. And then that's done. And you can see a little flashing green light on top to say it's reconnecting to the system. And we're done. Well, I hope this video was useful to you. If you've got any comments, please leave them below. If you like this video, please subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you for now. Goodbye.